Hi guys, hope you're well. In this video I'm going to give you the first law of attraction tip or strategy. So I'm going to do a set of videos that will help you to use the law of attraction. I'm going to make them really simple, bite-sized videos that you can start applying. A little disclaimer, I'm just showing you how I've used the law of attraction successfully in my life. In fact, if you're interested after this video or even during, do check out attractyourdreamstoyou.com. It's attractyourdreamstoyou.com. I've put together a free guide that will show you exactly how to use it. So if you can't wait for the videos or you just want to get the step-by-step guide, do check that out. I've set it up. I'll drop the link below as well. Do subscribe if you like these videos. If you're interested in the law of attraction, I'd love to hear your thoughts and also your viewpoints on what I'm explaining here. But a little disclaimer, I'm not promising results. It is law of attraction. We've all got an opinion on how it works, but I thought I would share how it successfully worked for me and how I manifested a BMW M4, not through magic, but more through, in my opinion, the mindset required and using the law of attraction to get into that mindset. So what I want to do today is give the very first step that I do whenever I want to use it, and I go through a series of steps, and this is the very first step. So I've got it and I can explain it really simply so you can use it as well. And here we go. Okay, so step one, before you even think about what you want or attraction or using the law of attraction, this is what I like to do. You're welcome to use it. Let me know how you get on with it. I call it the reset method. And what the reset method is quite simple. It's more of a 100% mental, so it's how you're thinking. And this is how I work it out in my head, and I hope you find it some use. So what I do very first is reset. And what that means, like a computer, if you want something, so when we look at this box here, what you want, the chances are if you don't have it, you can have all sorts of emotions connected to that. So you might need more money, you might want a different house, you might want a different car, you might want a relationship, and if you haven't got that, you're constantly reminded of where you are and where you want to be, and they're two different points, okay? And I'm a great believer, in my experience, that if you want to get where you want to go, you can't get there by being the same person that you are now. And I don't mean you have to change personality or anything like that. What I mean is in a mental sense. And that's why I've done this little box here is problems. So you've got all the problems. You've got like bills, you've got every single problem, day-to-day stuff, okay? They don't even need to be big problems. But the problems that you have in your life, for instance, if you want more money, the problem in your life is probably lack of money. If you want better relationships, the problem might be not enough relationships or not enough quality relationships, and so on. So every time you think about what you want, you're constantly reminded of the problems or what you haven't got. So there's like a negative. So that can stop you from getting anywhere. So before you start trying any technique or anything that's going to move you forward in the law of attraction sense, do try this, and that is the third box, gratitude. And the way this works is by focusing on what you have. So I'm just going to write here so it makes sense. Okay, what you have, okay? And I'll just draw a little arrow so you can see here, a line arrow. So the best way to reset before you do anything else is just spend a few days, this is what I recommend, the very first step, on focusing on what you have and being truly grateful. And I do this in a few different ways. Number one, I imagine waking up. Well, when you wake up is a good time to do it, not imagining it, but imagine you're with all this stuff that it's the first time you've seen it all. So your house, your car, everything, okay? And you're going to feel tremendous gratitude, because the chances are, if you're watching this video, you're on a computer, you've got a cell phone, you've got more than most people, okay? So and the reason I'm telling you to do this is, one, to reset, but it also elevates you, so you're far more likely to be able to get what you want, because it's elevating your point of attraction. Now, I'll get onto this. I'm not going to get all ethereal and so on. We're going to take it in steps, but it elevates when we start going into the ideas. Like, how do you make that happen? How do you get what you want? The ideas that you get will be based on the vibration, the resonance that you are. And I truly believe that by practicing gratitude, there's lots you can do, like in terms of emotion, but this is one of the easiest ways to raise your vibration, by being truly grateful. And another saying that I use, a Marcus Aurelius saying, that has really helped me with this, is imagine you woke up tomorrow and you only had the things that you were truly grateful for the day before. How much stuff would you have left? And that will really help you, thinking like that. So they're just a couple of things, but start with this and practice this for a few days, and it will make you feel better. And then move on to the next videos where we actually do the practical stuff and how to use it, and you will have reset. You'll be far more likely to be able to look at the future with a smile rather than a frown. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. Just a little bite-sized video. Let me know what you think below. Let me know if something's not clear as well, because I know that this stuff it's all down to point of view really, but I'm just showing you how I use it, and I hope if anything's not clear, let me know. And if you just want to dig in straight away, do check this out. I'll put the link below, attractyourdreamstoyou.com. It's a completely free guide that will show you exactly how I use the law of attraction to manifest a BMW M4, but you can use it for anything, okay? You don't have to follow suit on that. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do subscribe if you like it, and I'll see you in the next one. That's tip 1, the reset method, or if you like, more fitting, the gratitude method. And I'll see you in the next video. Cheers, guys.